Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a super quick tip, how to show the sidebar in the Opera browser. If you like having quick access to your bookmarks, messenger apps, and extensions, this will make your browsing much easier. Let's dive in. First, open your Opera browser. You can do this on Windows, Mac, or Linux. The steps are the same. Normally, the sidebar appears on the left side of the Opera window. If it's missing, here's how to bring it back. Click on the Opera logo in the top left corner and select Settings from the menu. This will open the Opera settings page. Now, scroll down until you find the sidebar section. Click on Manage Sidebar to open the sidebar settings. At the top of the page, make sure the Show Sidebar toggle is enabled. Once you turn it on, you'll immediately see the Opera sidebar on the left side of the browser. From here, you can also increase or decrease the sidebar width to your liking. And that's it. Your Opera sidebar is now visible, giving you easy access to all your tools without leaving the page. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick browser tips. Thanks for watching.